Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss one of the identity in vectors, that is the grade A dot B. I have to prove that grade A dot B is equal to this. To do this proof, we are going to use that A cross of B cross C is equal to A dot C B minus A dot B C. We are going to use this one. So first we are going to find outing A cross curl B and B cross curl A. Say first I am taking A cross curl B. So A cross I am writing same as it is. Curl B can be written as del cross B. So here del cross B can be written as summation I cross dou B by dou X. How we are going to write this one I explained in previous videos. You can see in the summation form. See here summation is writing outside. Here it is in the form of A cross of B cross C. A cross of B cross C. So we are going to write in this form. It was in this form and we are going to write in this form here. Here A is A only, B is I, C is dou B by dou X. See here A dot C. So C is dou B by dou X, no? So of B. I is B, no? Here in this form. Minus A dot B. A dot I. Of C means dou B by dou X, okay? Now summation is applying for this both. So here the summation is writing here dou I into A dot dou B by dou X. We are writing this term as same as it is. So here A is a scalar, no? Scalar vector, no? So that's why we are not applying summation for this one. So dot summation I. Here B is writing outside. Summation I dou by dou X. B is writing outside. See here. Here this term writing same as it is minus A dot. Here summation I dou X means del. So I am writing del of B. So this is the A cross curl B we get here. A cross curl B we get here. Next, similarly you can find out B cross curl A. You will get this result. Similarly, see here in place of A you will get B here. In place of B you will get A. See in place of A you will get B. In place of B you will get A. Same to same. You see. Making this one as equation number 1 and this one as equation number 2 and adding these two equations. See, I am adding A cross curl B plus B cross curl A. So this addition of equation means we need to add LHS part plus LHS part equal to RHS part plus RHS part. See here. These two terms having summation I taking common. So writing remaining terms same as it is. So next minus A dot del B minus B dot del A. I can see. See here. It is in the form of UV dash plus VU dash. So then we can write it as D of UV. Wait, I will write for you. UV dash plus VU dash can be written as DUV. It was in this form UV dash plus VU dash. It is. I am writing in this form. Here partial derivative with respect to X, that's all. It was in this form. I am writing in this form here. Okay, see that's all. These two terms will get same as it is. This is the grade A dot B. This one. So remaining terms I am transferring from this RHS side to LHS side. This minus terms will become positive. That means here this is grade A dot B. Grade A dot B. Next is we'll get A cross curl B plus B cross curl A plus A dot del B plus B dot del A. This is the required proof. So hope you understand, I think. If you have any doubts, you can comment below. You can say your opinion by liking and unliking the video. If you want to see further videos in my channel, you can subscribe my channel. See you in next video.